I keep looking up in a world that's looking down, as deception breeds confusion in our time. If I hold your mirror close, will I see what's deep inside? Reflections or illusions of life, from that promise so warm and tender. Can we chase those years forever? Will you still hold faith in those embraced when they fall from grace? Somewhere in the distance, out there in the night, lies a land from where dreams may come as the desert meets the sky. We're all I've ever known, passed before my eyes, giving way to light, so I might find the truth before I die. One day you woke up to the call that makes no sound, yet it deafened in its roar as you were blind. Alone you've been a ghost in an age where you can't hide. Your heart left disillusioned from the lies. You remember when all your dreams were bigger, and you faced the world with vigor. Now you've left those days in a faded haze, having found your place. Somewhere in the distance, out there in the night, lies a land from where dreams may come as the desert meets the sky. We're all I've ever known, passed before my eyes, giving way to light, so I might find the truth before I die. Somewhere in the distance, out there in the night, lies a land from where dreams may come as the desert meets the sky. We're all I've ever known, passed before my eyes, giving way to light, so I might find the truth before I die. I keep looking up in a world that's looking down,